Hi, this is Katrina. I'm reviewing EdPuzzle for AEP 800. So I chose EdPuzzle, which is free and meets all the requirements. I chose it because it meets one of the goals of our virtual school because we have a flaw in the Blackboard Live program in which we cannot play videos over the platform live during synchronous learning and interact with the students at the same time. So our administration has asked us to try it out, see if this helps fill in that hole. So our intended audience would be the students, and the ISTE standards that are covered by this are TL3A, number 5, design methods for teaching that supports media, and number 6, that supports distance learning. So I had not tried EdPuzzle. As a matter of fact, because of this class, I've made one finally for myself. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, first you pick a video and you can add questions, voiceovers, comments, turn it into a quiz. You pick a video from either one of these sources, and I'm going to pick one for my science friends. Okay, so I'm looking through these videos and I'm going to pick this one. And I've chosen this video, and you can see here it has some really easy tools for cropping. I can decide if I want to play the whole thing or not. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Okay, no. Okay, so I want to start right there. I don't want to show all the rest of that stuff. Okay, so I'm going to jump ahead. There's a place for a voiceover if you want to voice over the entire video. Maybe you want your students to hear your voice instead of this, but I'm not going to rap, so we're going to move straight on to audio notes. So maybe I want to tell my students a couple of things that I want them to look for, but I'm going to record a note that I want my students to hear at the beginning of the video. Hi students, welcome to Health Science 3. I'd like for you to watch this video because it explains one of the important building blocks of the body. Okay, so now when I start that at the beginning, they're going to hear me. Hi students, welcome to Health Science 3. I'd like for you to watch this video. Okay, so it's going to continue playing until I make another one. So I could scoot down and make another one and say, make sure that you pay attention to, so you can compare and contrast the animal cell and the plant cell. Okay, so now we're going to switch to quizzes. Okay, so this is the fun part where you can drop questions anywhere into the video that you want students to stop and answer. So let's see. Maybe I want to ask them how many different types of cells are there? Okay, and I'm going to make it a 2 lots, whatever. You can add whatever you want to in there. Okay, so I can drop as many as I want to in there, and like I said, it'll be playing the video and it'll stop in time for them to answer the question. So I think this is a really cool tool that you can use in any subject matter, and you can make it interactive as much as you like.